In this video, we're going to learn how to format table quickly in Microsoft Excel. Here we have some data. We want to convert this into a table. Select the tabular area. Now we first want to set border for our table. We select border options here and go for all border options. So we now want to select a coloring option for the headline. We go for color here. If you don't like the color, we will see our favorite color. However, formatting this table through this way will be time consuming. So we go back to Ctrl Z and go back to original data. Select the data. When we select the data, quick analysis tab will appear. Just click on it and so many different options will appear. Formatting, charts, totals, tables. We select tables and select table here. Our table is formatted quickly. If you don't like the style, go for conditional format as table and choose the style that you prefer. There are so many different styles. You can select light color, medium color, dark color. That's it. Our table is formatted. There is another way, another shortcut way. Go back to original data. Now select the data, press Alt O A. Yeah, a pop-up window will appear. Now select the style that you prefer. We'll go for well, we select a style, press OK. Our table is formatted. That's it. That's how you can format